in mathematics, your question, there will be two types of question papers. One is basic, second one is standard. In basic, this will be asked for 3 marks, and those who are going to opt standard, so for them it is to be asked for 2 marks. Got it? This is equal. Don't write. Observe this part. Only denominator term in each. Ritika, when the teacher is explaining, you have to observe the board. Many times I have been telling you the same.
Sir, can we take only denominator reciprocal?
Power is minus 2 by in that 3 is there. 3 is in the denominator. Therefore, this number should be expressed as the power 3. Here, this number should be expressed as the power 4. This number should be expressed as the power 5. Okay, 216 is there. Just to look at the book. Don't write. 260. You can go and dividing this by 2.
6 cubes.
1 are 0 are 8.
6 cube.
2. 5s are 4s are. Then 2. 2s are 7s are. Then 3. 9s are. Then 3. 3s are. Look here. Here we have 2 cube, 3 cube is there. I'm going to group them. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. We know that it is a perfect cube. It can be written as 6 raised to the power 3. Got it? Now you write.
Yes, sir.
By 216 is to be written as 6 cube 4 raised to the power minus 2 by 3. Next, plus 1 by
2 raised to the power of 8.
Look at 256. Here are right. We can write 2 1s are, then 2 2s are, 8s are. Next, 2 6 are, 4s are. Then 2 3s are, 2s are. 2 1s are, 6 are. 2 8s are. 2 4s are. Then 2 2s are. Here also you can group them. Here 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is there. But in the denominator we have 4. Hence I'll go for taking like this. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Hence it can be written as 4 raised to the power 4. Understood?
Sir, we can write 2 to the power of 8 now, sir.
You may write. Writing cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 1s are 2 4s are ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then power will be minus 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So to make it a simple one, I have been taking like this. 4 raised to the power 4 minus 3 by 4 plus then 2 by
3 raised to the power of
243 is there. 243 is there. 243. Yeah. 243. Look here. This can be cancelled by or divided by 3. 3 8s are 1s are. 3 2s are 7s. 3 9s are. 3 3s are. It can be written as 3 raised to the power 5. Here 3 raised to the power 5. 4 raised to the power minus 1 by 5. Understood? Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cancellation is easier. 3 3 4 4 5 5. Have you written? Okay. Next. Let's continue from here. Overall, now this is 4 by 6 raised to the power minus 2. Direct okay, anyhow, I'm going to extend it one more step. 6 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2 plus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 1. Could you tell how to write?
Reciprocal.
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 Reciprocal talking.
Reciprocal, sir.
Yes, sir.
Reciprocal, sir.
1 by a minus b.
4 divided by 1 by 6
Other than that,
to the power 2.
A minus.
a minus. Other than that,
4 by 1 by 6 to the power 2.
1 by 6, 4 to the power of
right.
2.
Prajwal is trying. Prajwal, you tell.
Sir, 4 divided by 1 by 6 to the power 2.
1 by 6 to the power 2. Means you are telling that it should be written as 1 by
6.
6 square.
Sir, 4 into 6 to the power of 2.
Ah, somebody is telling. Very good, very good. Who is that?
Sir, Muhammad Salik.
Mohammed Saleh. Yes.
Sir, again and I reconnect.
Both are correct only. Whatever earlier a boy said and Salik is telling, both are correct only. ನಿಮಗೆ easy ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. We know that 1 by a raised to the power minus n. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ we will write it as a raised to the power plus n. So instead of taking 1 by 6 square, you can write like this: 4 into. When 6 raised to the power minus 2 is taken to the numerator, it becomes 6 raised to the power plus 2. Did you understand?
Yes,
sir.
Will it not be easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mohammed Saleh, good. It is 1 into 4 cube. 2 into 3 raised to the power 1. Now your calculation will be easier. Oh, observe. Observe. Don't copy, just observe. That you tell. What is 6 square?
36.
36. 36 fours are?
144.
Very good. My calculation is enough. 36 fours are. 36 twos are 72.
72
twos are 144. Right. 144 plus. I'll write it directly. Second one also. Wait. Nobody should tell. I'll give you a chance. Ananya Hatikar, you can. 4 cube.
4 cubes 24.
4 fours are 16. 16 fours are
64.
64 ones are 60. Next. 3 raised to the power 1 is 3. 3 twos are 6.
6.
Is equal. Prithviraj. Prithviraj.
Sir.
144 plus 6. Prithviraj.
214.
Yes, sir. 200.
144 plus 6 is 150.
150.
Plus 64 is 250. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving to another one. 8th one, right?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, there is wrong multiplication, sir. 6 into 4 into 6 square, sir. 4 6 is 24. There is wrong multiplication.
This is 4 into 6 square. 4 6 are 24. Then Yes, yes,
Into
sir.
24, sir.
into 24. Then you are telling that it should be 576. Hmm?
Yes.
First, square should be applicable to this number. You should not multiply it directly. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 into 6 whole square ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ now 4 6 are 24. 24 square is 576. Now square is applicable to only 6. So 6 square is 36. 36 4s are 144. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now we are moving to another type. It is also very important. Was given in the examination as well. Right. 8. 8. Find the value of x in each of the following. If in that first one, I've been taking very simple. Manya, are you understanding? Manya A. Yes, good girl. Rutushri? Yes, good. Giridhar, I'm not able to see you at all. It is completely dark. Vibha? Okay. Right. It is first one. 2 raised to the power 4 into 2 raised to the power 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power x. It should be solved. Let me teach that. Look at them.
Sir, index can be added.
X is 3, sir.
Very good. Already somebody told x is 3. Let me tell you how is this. First step, you write this as it is. Quickly. 2 raised to the power 4 into 2 raised to the power 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power x. Vibha.
Yes, sir.
Observe LHS part. Here, bases are same. What do you say about powers? What should be done with the powers when bases are same?
Add.
Add,
Yes.
sir.
Alva. And again 4 plus 5, 9 again. Okay, now one step increase. 2 raised to the power 4 plus 5. Right. This is equal to here 2 cube whole raised to the power x. It is of the form a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n a raised to the power mn. This is 2 raised to the power 3x. Next, 2 raised to the power 4 plus 5 is 9. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 3x. Now, observe it. In LHS, how many terms are there?
1 term, sir.
One term, sir.
One term.
One term.
Shreya D. In RHS, how many terms are there?
Sir, one term.
Only 1 term. And in both LHS and RHS, base is same. Alva? Powers are different. So that now we have to equate the powers. Please do remember. Vijay, Mohita Vijay, listen. Now, in LHS and RHS part, only a single term is there and bases are same. Then you have to equate the powers. Yeah, right. On equating index or powers, you can write 9 is equal to 3x. Here power is 9, in RHS power is 3x. Now let us find out x value. 9 by 3 is equal to x. Cancel one. X equal to 3.
Equal to 3, sir.
Actually, they have followed many steps. ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬಹುದು.
Sir, this is for 1 mark, sir.
1 mark only, 1 mark. Now just we have followed more number of steps. Direct again. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Observe 4 plus 5, 9. 9 equal to 3x. X equal to 3. Such a simple one. You have to expect this for 1 mark. Now let me go for giving you second. Second one. Right. It is right. 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 3 into 4 by 3 whole raised to the power minus 7 is equal to 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 2x. Is it enough?
Sir, x is equal to 5.
5, sir.
It's equal to 5. Very good.
Sir,
Arvind
x
P.
is equals
Gudagowda.
to 2. X is equals to
Not
2.
able to see your face.
Sir,
Yes.
x is equals to 2.
X equal to 2 now. Observe. Just I'll tell you the mind calculation. Here, negative. See, the bases should be same to equate the powers. Here 3 by 4, here 4 by 3, here 3 by 4. 3 by 4 in and 3 by 4 in. Now you take the reciprocal of this. It is plus 7. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Power is negative. To convert this into positive, take the reciprocal. Okay, the plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 plus 7, 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10 is equal to 2x. X equal to
5.
10 by 2. It is 5. Such a simple one. Right. Solution. It is 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 3. 4 by 3 whole raised to the power minus 7 equal to 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 2x. I have written this as it is. Chaitanya sir, are you writing? Now 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 3 into 4 by 3 whole raised to the power minus 7 is there. Take the reciprocal. It will be 3 by 4. Then power will be positive. That is plus 7 is equal to 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 2x. Now on the left hand side, bases are same. Add the powers. So 3 by 4 whole raised to the power and direct ability. 3 plus 7 is 10 is equal to 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 2x. Sanjana SL.
Sir,
Are you
answer
following?
is 5.
Understanding?
Answer is 5, sir.
Wait. Yeah. In LHS part single term, RHS part single term, bases are same. Go for equating the powers. Right. On equating powers, you can write 10 is equal to 2x, then x equal to 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. Next one. Right. Third. And this was given in the examination with double star. 5 raised to the power x minus 3. 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8 is equal to 225. Lavanya,
Yes, sir.
could you tell us how can it be solved?
Sir, 225 can be written 15
In the
square.
exponential form. Very good, very good. Yes, LHS form, bases are different, powers are also different. So they can't be simplified. Whereas RHS 225, it can be expressed in exponential form. Let us see that. How is that? Right.
15 square.
Right. It is 5 raised to the power x minus 3 into 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8 is equal to 225. Will you write 15 square? Huh? 1 minute, just observe. 15 square is the value. But is it possible to find out the value of x?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
How can you try?
It can be separated into 3 square into 5 square.
Very good, very good. You are right. Very good. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So it will be 3 square into 5 square. Did you understand?
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Still some of you are thinking, wait. Here, 225. I'll go for finding the factorization. 225. Here, it can be divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. 2 will remain 25. 5 5s are. Then 5 9s are. 3 3s are. See that? It can be written as 5 square, 3 square. Here, 5 square into 3 square. Okay. Wait. Don't write. Shreya, don't write. Here's from. Then further, just think over it. How can we write the next step?
The bases are same, sir.
On equating.
No. You. Of course, here base is 5, base is 3. Base is 5, base is 3. But there must be single base on the left hand side and single base on the right hand side. Then only you can go for equating the power.
Sir, shifting 5.
Yes?
Shifting 5.
Then further, anybody?
Sir, we have to equate
Sir,
the first
grouping.
term of LHS and first term of
Sir, we
RHS.
can group, sir.
Grouping.
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 I think Arushi is telling.
Sir,
Arushi,
sir, we can
index
group,
on
sir, like
RHS.
we can multiply the bases and we can group the powers together.
Okay.
Sir, we should equate first term of LHS and first term of RHS.
No, you cannot take so. Look here. Observe here. Here we have 5. Here also base 5. Here base 3. Here also base 3 is there. And right. 5 raised to the power x minus 3 into 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8. Alright. I'll take both to the denominator. Don't copy, just observe. 5 square into 3 square. In RHS side, nothing is there. We can write 1. Next, when it is taken to the numerator, it becomes
Minus.
5 power x minus 3. It is minus. Then when 3 raised to the power 2 is taken to the numerator, it is here 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8 as it is, and it becomes minus 2. It is equal to 1. Got it? Now, this is equal to 5 raised to the power x minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 into 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8 minus 2
minus 10.
minus
Minus
10
10.
equal to 1. Now again you can observe that here power is 2x minus 10 is there. Can we take 2 as common factor?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
5 raised to the power x minus 5 into here 3 raised to the power. If I take 2 as common factor, it will be x minus 5. This is equal to 1. Now 5 raised to the power x minus 5 into here 3 square is there. I can write it as 9 or 9 raised to the power x minus 5. I told you not to copy Sanve. I'll give you time. Just observe. It is equal to 1. Now, observe it. Here bases, powers of same. I can multiply the bases. 5 9s are 45. X 45 raised to the power x minus 1. Here 1 is there. We know that 1 is anything raised to the power, anything raised to the power 0. Here I'll write it as 45 raised to the power 0. The reason is in LHS we have 45. Here also we want 45. Now let us go for equating the powers. It is x minus 5 is equal to, it is 0. X equal to 5. Followed? Followed, Rakshita B.
Sir, I have
Last
doubts.
Not understood, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, in the RHS,
No,
when we
sir.
take the RHS in the denominator, no, sir, then why it should be taken as 1, sir? It can be taken as 0, no, sir?
You see here,
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'll clarify that. Wait, Lakshmi Shri, wait. Very good. Just wait. Yeah, you are telling that the flattening is there, sir. We have to write 0. Let me tell you what happens if 0 is there. Isn't 0 on the road? Cross multiply 5 square into 3 square into 0. Another.
0.
0.
But RHS, what is there? 5 square into 3 square. But if I put 1
into 3 square.
1 into the number is the number itself. That is why we have to write 1.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Sir,
yes,
sir, 45 power to 0 is equals to 1 now, sir.
of course.
But you wrote 0. X minus 5 is equals to 0.
Here, here powers are same. I have multiplied the bases. 9, 5 9s are 45. If I want to find out the value of x, here also base should be 45. We know that 45 raised to the power 0 is 1. So in place of 1, I have written this.
Sir, but downside you wrote 0.
I have equated powers on equating powers. Not power x minus 5. Here is power 0. I have equated it.
Yes, sir.
Let's copy this.
Sir, in second step, why
Now you don't speak in between, just copy. In the second step, we have transposed RHS to the denominator. Then take 5 square and 3 square to the numerator. We go for simplifying. get 5 raised to the power x minus 5, 3 raised to the power 2x minus 10. Then x minus 5
Answer will
taken as common factor.
7.
Then
Last
three
one, sir.
square
Answer.
root of 9.
Answer. Answer, sir. X or 7, sir. X last x minus 5 is equal to 0. Last
Oh,
x or 7, sir. Last one.
power is x minus 5 is equal. Here power 0. We want x equal to 0. Transfer minus 5 to the right hand side. It becomes plus. It is x. Over.
Yes,
Stop.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Another one, it is interesting and also a bit lengthy. Or else before that, I'll take one more simple problem. I think it is 9th one, no?
4th one, sir.
Right.
one, sir.
Prove that.
9th one, sir.
Prove that. Finding x value, that's over. Now we are moving to this one. It is 2 raised to the power 30. Even they may give you, they may ask you to find out the value also. 2 raised to the power 30 plus 2 raised to the power 29 plus 2 raised to the power 28 by 2 raised to the power 39 plus 2 raised to the power 30 plus 2 raised to the power 29 equal to they have given a number. Afterwards you will come to know by solving this. Right. Prove. LHS mark. Copy this as it is quickly. This is 2 raised to the power 30 plus 2 raised to the power 29 plus 2 raised to the power 28 by 2 raised to the power 31 plus 2 raised to the power 30 plus 2 raised to the power 29. Okay, you may stop writing now. Anybody want to tell how can we simplify this?
Sir, do
We can just
By
add
adding proof.
power, sir.
Sir, we can add by adding
all the
Because
We can add the power, sir.
bases are same,
Then,
so
yeah.
that we can.
No, sir, we can't add the powers, sir.
Very
Because
good.
it is
We
plus
cannot
symbol.
add them. We can add the powers if and only if the terms are in product form. Are they in product form?
No, sir.
No.
sir.
Terms are separated by plus sign.
Sir,
No, plus
cancel.
sign is there. Only plus sign is there. We cannot.
Sir,
So we
cancel.
can.
Sir,
So cancellation.
Right. You
Sir,
cannot
cancellation.
cancel also. You cannot cancel. The reason is numerator we have 3 terms. Denominator 3 terms. And a single term is we could have cancelled.
Sir, division, no, sir, we can subtract the powers.
Cannot subtract. I'll tell you why. If it is 2 raised to the power 30 by 2 raised to the power 31, you could have written it as 2 raised to the But here, not single term, three terms are there. So this is not possible. Then, anybody would like to try?
Shifting power upside in numerator.
Shreyas Kulambi, will you try? Anjan R. Pisade?
So we
Okay.
can 30 like also.
I'll tell you that. Let me tell you, listen carefully. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 30, power 29, power 28. Here power is, least power is 28. Is it not? Can we take out least power 28 as common factor? Shreyas? Shreyas? Here 2 raised to the power 28. Please don't go for writing anything. Look at it. I take 2 raised to the power 28 as common factor. Then first term can be written as 2 raised to the power 2. Second one can be written as 2 raised to the power 1. And third one can be written as 2 raised to the power 0. Any doubt?
Sir, explain once again.
Sir, explain, sir.
Explain once again, sir.
Once again, explain, sir.
I'll explain that. I'll explain. Yeah? Power 30, 29, 28. I'm going to take least one. Okay, let me do one thing. I write 2 raised to the power 30 as 2 raised to the power 28 into 2 raised to the power 2. Can we write so?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then simply you are copying. First you have to understand this. Plus 2 raised to the power 29 as 2 raised to the power 28, 2 raised to the power 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plus here 2 raised to the power 28 into 2 raised to the power 0. Your powers are add what? 28 plus 0, 28. 28 plus 1, 29. 28 plus 2, 30. Similarly, denominator is enough. Denominator. Least power is 29. You may take out 29 as common factor. But I take 28 as common factor. The reason is numerator 28 ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು in the next step. That is why I write 2 raised to the power 31 as 2 raised to the power 28 into 2 raised to the power. How much I should write?
3.
3,
sir.
3, sir.
2 raised to the power 2.
28.
2 raised to the power 2.
2 raised to the power
2 raised to the power
2 raised to the power 2. Wait, don't copy. Samar Champi, don't copy. Here, 2 raised to the power 29 is there.
2 raised
2 raised to the power 28. 2 raised to the power
1.
1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then copy. Idhine copy madu. Just below this, you copy that step. Quickly. Over. Now observe. In the numerator, what is common factor?
28.
2 power
28.
28.
2 raised to the power 20.
2 raised to the power 2.
Right.
2 raised to the power 2.
Let me take 2 raised to the power 28 as common factor. Write the remaining. 28 will get 2 square plus 2 raised to the power 1 plus 2 raised to the power 0. In the denominator, what is the common factor?
28.
2 raised to the power of 28.
28. Right. 2 raised to the power 28. Remaining 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power 2 plus 2 raised to the power 1. Now, can we cancel these two directly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Numerator, denominator terms are same.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is equal. Now, we are very familiar with these values. What is 2 square?
4.
4.
4. 2 raised to the power 1?
2.
2.
2 raised to the power
0.
Plus
1.
1.
2 cube?
8. 8.
8.
8.
2 square?
4.
4. 2 raised to the power 1?
2.
2.
Equal to 4 plus 1.
7.
7 by 14.
7 by 14.
14.
1 by 2 is
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
The question they are given it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 ಅಂತಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So, we write this is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. You may write. Hence, it is proved. Hence, it is proved. Over.
Yes, sir.
Right. 10th one. Do you know for how much marks it was asked?
3.
3 marks.
3, sir. 3 marks.
I'll tell you.
2.
2 marks. In the examination, if it is asked for proving, it will be given for 2 marks. And directly sometimes they will ask you, what is the value of this? For 1 mark. 1 mark, you could have 1 mark or 2 mark. Please do remember.
Sir, for 1 mark also we should write full steps, sir.
Huh?
For 1 marks also we should write full steps, sir.
Right. Just to simple ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 1 mark ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ you 2 raised to the power 20 directly you take common factor and you write the remaining. Each step ಬರೀರಿ. Then 2 square 4, 2 raised to the power 1, 2. 4 plus 1, sorry, 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. Next, 2 cube 2 square, 2 raised to the power 1. 8 plus 4 plus 2, 14. You will cancel 1 by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Sir, you are not done the 5th problems. Fifth problem, ಅರ್ಧ page gap.
Homework.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. I told you leave us half page and do that yourself. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Now I am going to take another one. It was given in the examination for 3 marks.
Sir,
Yes, I think Prithvi. No, Nalpet. Okay, observe. Right, 10th one. If 9 raised to the power n into 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power minus n by 2 whole raised to the power minus 2 minus 27 raised to the power n. See, even I too have written. It was given in the examination. I'm going to give you the same. These two were given in the examination. Whole divided by 3 raised to the power 3n into 2 raised to the power 3. This is equal to 1 by 27. If it is so, right, then prove that m minus n equal to 1. M minus n equal to 1. Let us go for proving this.
Sir, where is M, sir?
Huh? M has been written, no?
No, sir. Problem in there not.
1 minute.
There 27 is there now? It is M.
Wait. Yes.
Sir, in denominator, 3 to the power of 3m, sir.
This is 3 raised to the power m. 3 raised to the power 3m. 9 raised to the power n, 3 square. 3 raised to the power minus n by 2, whole raised to the power minus 2, minus 27 raised to the power n by 3 raised to the power 3m, 2 raised to the power 3 equal to 1 by 27. M minus n equal to 1. Yes, this is the given statement. Now let's go for proving this statement. M minus n equal to 1 if that is using this statement. Right? Prove. Write the given statement as it is. Go on, write it with me. Ruti, write. It is 9 raised to the power n into 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power minus n by 2 whole raised to the power minus 2 minus 27 raised to the power n by 3 raised to the power 3m into 2 raised to the power 3. This is equal to 1 by 27. Written up? Have you written? Okay. Look here. Okay. Here only. Minus into minus, it is plus. It is n by 2. 4 raised to the power 2 is there. You can cancel it directly. So here I'll cancel. 2 get cancelled. Next, another thing. You can notice that here 9, 27, and here this 27. They are all multiples of 3, right?
3.
They can be expressed in the index for exponent form with a base 3. Artha aitala?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Iga 9 idre you can write 3 square. 27 idre 3 cube. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
right. In this step, let us write all these numbers in the exponential form. 9 is there. It is 3 square. Whole raised to the power n is nothing but 3 raised to the power 2n. Sanjana, yes, sir. Artha agtide nama? Sanjana, yes, sir. Okay. Next. It is into 3 raised to the power 2. Please go on writing with me. Into, minus minus cancel agide. It will be 3 raised to the power n. Now minus 27 is there. 27 is nothing but 3 cube.
3 cube.
Okay. 3 cube all raised to the power n. So 3 raised to the power 3n divided by, yeah, 3 raised to the power 3m, 3 raised to the power 3m into 2 raised to the power 3. Now, this is equal to 1 by 27 can be written as
3 cube.
3 cube or 3 raised to the power 3. Next, observe. Look at the book. Observe. Here, 3 raised to the power 3n is. Next, here 3 raised to the power 2n, 3 raised to the power n. How much it will be?
3 raised to
3
the power
3 raised to the power 3
3
n.
raised to the power 3n.
raised to the power of 3n.
Right, 3 raised to the power 2n into 3 raised to the power n. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು 3 raised to the power 2n plus 1n, 3n. If you have understood or not, if yes, you tell.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I go for taking 3 raised to the power 3n as common factor. Shall I?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
3 raised to the power 3n. 3 raised to the power 3n into. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? What will remain?
3 square. 3 square.
3 to the power
Minus
3 to the power 3n.
ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 3 raised to the power 3n ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿಯೋದು ನನಗೆ 3 square minus 1. Denominator.
Explain once again, sir.
Explain once again ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. 3 raised to the power 2n ಮತ್ತೆ 1n ಇದೆ. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 raised to the power 3n into 3 square minus 3 raised to the power 3n divided by 3 raised to the power 3m into 2 cube is equal to
1 by 3 cube.
1 by 3 raised to the power 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಬರೀ you just observe only numerator. In the numerator you can come to know that 3 raised to the power 3n is common factor. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Now you write.
It can be
3 raised
cancelled. No,
to
sir.
the power 3n is common factor. In the first term, 3 square will remain minus 1 will remain.
Sir, minus 3 and get cancelled. No, sir. Minus and plus there.
3, which one? We cannot cancel. Cancel not barabar. You don't tell me there, right? Then 3 raised to the power 3m into 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 1 by 3 raised to the power 3. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Now look at what is 3 square? Lakshmi Shri, observe. 3 square?
9.
9.
Total 8.
9 minus 5,
8. 8.
8. 2 cube,
8.
8. 8 get cancelled.
Yes,
Direct
sir.
cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir.
value is 8. This value is 8. Direct cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ 3 square is 9, one step. Minus 1, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ one step. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ number of steps ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Directly you can go for cancel. Next. All right. ನಮಗೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು 3 raised to the power 3n by 3 raised to the power 3m is equal to 1 by 3 raised to the power 3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This to the numerator. A raised to the power m by a raised to the power n, a raised to the power m minus n. This is 3 raised to the power 3n minus 3m is equal to, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 3 cube. Take this to the numerator. It becomes 3 raised to the power minus. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ we want the equal bases. You know, LHS 1 ton, RHS 1 ton. LHS base is 3, RHS base is 3. Can we go for equating powers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. On equating powers. On equating powers. Just I'll go for writing that here. If powers are stay equate model, you will get 3n minus 3m is equal to minus 2. Understood? Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Further, what can be done? Oh, Lakshmi, you are trying.
Transpose.
Transpose. No,
Sir,
Sir, 3
reciprocal.
common
Sir,
ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
reciprocal. We can reciprocal.
no need.
Sir, 3 common.
Sir, reciprocal we can do
Ah,
now,
very
sir.
good. 3 can be taken as common factor.
Common
ಇಲ್ಲ
factor.
ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can divide all the terms by 3 also. Because all the coefficients are multiples of 3. Right. 3 into, okay, n minus m is equal to minus 3 bar. Now cancel. 3 get cancelled. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ. n minus m is equal to minus 3. Now you transpose 3 to the denominator. Now 3 get cancelled. You get n minus m equal to minus 1. But what is needed?
Plus 1.
M minus n equal to plus 1.
M minus n is equal to 1.
I am going to multiply minus 1 on both the sides. Multiply minus. ಅವಾಗ minus ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, plus ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here plus m is there, it becomes minus. Minus m is there, plus m minus m. Here minus 1 is there, it becomes plus 1. Now this is proved. I don't have space, so that I have written it directly. ಈ step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ multiply minus 1 on both the sides. That can be written. Did you understand?
Sir, we can directly take minus 3 as common, no, sir?
Okay.
Sir, if we transpose 3 to the left hand side, it will become minus 3, no, sir. You are in last step.
No. If you transfer, it happens. But here we are transposing. 3 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ transpose ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ denominator ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. There will be no change in the sign. Okay, listen to me. Hope that you have copied this completely.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, let me give you an information. I think we were in the exercise 1.4 alva, 1.4 and 1.5.
1.4.
We have solved all the types of problems. So today 1.4 and exercise number 1.5 both should be done by yourself in your notebook. And tomorrow, wherever you come across the doubt regarding those, we shall discuss that. Okay? Once I have been telling, you have written up here. After this, from NCERT textbook, you have to solve the problems given in exercise number 1.4 and 1.5.
Yes,
If you
sir.
do not have textbook, myself only will give you the PDF today. Using that
Okay,
PDF,
sir.
you can go for solving.
Yes, sir.
Meera?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, we
sir.
have textbook.
Yes. And
So
from
worksheet will be
tomorrow,
given.
We have to solve 1.6 also. sir.
1.6. Total 3 exercises are there. Remaining.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Then
Sir, 1.4
Yes, sir.
successive magnification, sir.
1.4 successive magnification, then it is not required.
Yes, sir.
1.5 and 1.6.
1.5 and
1.6.
1.6. Okay, sir.
I'll clarify that. I'll clarify. You go for exercise number 1.5 and 1.6 and
Okay,
try to
sir.
solve them.
Yes,
If you
sir.
get, it's okay. If in between, if you come across the doubt, tomorrow we shall discuss. And soon after completing that, I'm going to commence a new chapter in science. That is first chapter in physics. It is motion. So
Motion.
tomorrow you should come to the class with both the notebooks, maths notebook and science notebook. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going
Yes,
to
sir.
conclude the class. Today's
Yes, sir.
class. It is we solved very important problems. Please do practice them without fail.
Okay,
So
sir.
with this, let us
Yes,
stop the
sir.
class. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you,